Hey guys, I made this mock of a hot chocolate shop. Goes with the winter village theme, and yep, I'll show you features. In the middle we have a snowball fight. Yep, much see everything with the camera. I don't really need to show you up close on them, but here's this guy. He's throwing a snowball at his sister, who seems, I don't know, she's okay with it. And we have a dog. There's the dog. The owner of the winter toy shop had a cat, so the owner of this has a dog. And here's this skier guy. He's got the scarf. And here we have this sad kid. I don't know what his deal is. And I'll start with over here. It has a ski shop. There's the back. You can see the guy working in there. And you can see the skis are attached by a shovel piece. So you can take the skis out, and when you're done using the skis, you can pull the shovel out. You can shovel snow right there. So that's pretty much that. And you can also get this sled there. Here's this seat where it's to go. Now, no wonder the kid's sad, because Santa's gone. I wonder where he is. Here's this tree. Has the snow on it. Yep. And yeah, let's get on to the main attraction. This, the hot chocolate shop. Got the clock and the little mug there for decoration. A light so you can shovel snow in the dark. And the dome. Another dome on top. Here's the side. Here's the other side, which is a chimney. And yeah. And then the roof has some snow on it, so it's not majorly snowing. It's not completely covered with snow. And the door opens, of course. Now let's reveal the inside. Table and chairs. Someone left the mug there. And it's going to be hard to zoom in on this, but there's a fireplace. I don't know if you can see that really well. Flat screen, and the time is 12:01. Got the picture frame right there, and you see this girl who works at the hot chocolate shop. Got the sink, there's a pizza, 2 mugs, and the chocolate sauce. Now, oh, there's Santa. It looks like he got wasted. Well, tough luck for the kids now. He has a broken failed rum bottle, and he's drinking 2 beer bottles, and he's drinking out of the keg, so I wouldn't go near this Santa. And he even has 2 more barrels of beer back there. And of course there's the light brick. And I'm pretty sure that's it. Now I'll show you what the light brick looks like in the dark. Hang on. Alright, so it's in the dark, and there we go. Alright, so it's pretty much my MOC, really. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you later. Bye.